Hello, today we are going to cook a yummy pork sweet and sour. Let's start. Marinate the pork with 1 egg yolk. Salt, pepper, oyster sauce, sesame oil, mix it well together. Corn flour. Mix it well together and let the pork marinate for 20 minutes. Put marinated pork in tapioca starch. Please subscribe to Tita Zia's Machine. Subscribe and like. Fry pork until golden brown. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, yummy! After we fry the pork, we can start to make the sweet and sour sauce. Saute onion and green bell pepper. Add pineapple chunks. ½ cup brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1/3 cup of pineapple juice. Stir. Pepper. Stir and simmer for 5 minutes. Add slurry mixture and simmer for 3 minutes. Add the pork and coat everything evenly with the sauce. Yummy! It's done! This is our pork sweet and sour. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye, guys!